Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to download Roblox for your PC. So if you wanna download Roblox application on your PC but don't know how to, then this video is for you. I hope this video finds you. So to get started, first of all head over to Google Chrome browser and in the search box type in Roblox download and hit the enter and click on the first link that appears. Here you can see download now option. Click on it and it will be downloaded and you have to install. Then click on the arrow sign which you can see is on the top of the screen, which is represented as a arrow sign. Now there you can see Roblox have already been downloaded. You just have to install it. Click on it and click on install now, and it will take some time to install on your PC. Once it's done, you will be successfully able to use it on your PC. So this is how easily you can download Roblox on your PC. If you found the video to be helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.